Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to drive Honda CRV Automatic. Begin by adjusting the seat and mirrors for optimal comfort and visibility, then fasten your seatbelt. Make sure you can easily reach the brake and accelerator, and that your posture supports calm, steady control. Check that mirrors show lanes and vehicles at safe distances. Keep both hands on the wheel in a relaxed position before starting the engine. Start the CRV by pressing the brake and turning the key or pressing the start button, then shift into drive for forward motion. Gently release the brake and apply light throttle to begin moving, keeping speed low while you feel the car respond. Use reverse with the same care, checking rear camera and mirrors. Practice smooth pedal inputs to avoid jerky starts and stay aware of surroundings during every maneuver. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy car tips. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for road trips because it stays leak-proof and easy to sip while driving. I use it for long drives to stay refreshed and alert without spills. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you like it, pick one up. Now let's get back to the video. Drive the CRV with calm, predictable actions and use gentle steering to stay centered in the lane. Maintain a safe following distance and scan ahead for traffic changes so you can brake smoothly and avoid sudden moves. Use cruise control on highways when appropriate to maintain consistent speed, and downshift only when necessary for control. Stay relaxed, keep both hands on the wheel, and communicate intentions with signals early.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.